New York. Donald Trump's lawyers were blocked Thursday in a long-shot bid to immediately end a New York civil case that threatens the former president's real estate empire. The judge did not rule on request but stated that trial will continue as planned on Monday and that Donald Trump Jr. will return to stand as first defense witness. Trump's lawyers asked Judge Arthur Engoron to cut the hearing short and impeach Trump. His company and Trump Jr. He asked him to make a decision that would absolve senior executives, including him, of crimes. They made the request in the middle of New York Attorney General Letitia James' trial, arguing that state attorneys had failed to prove their case. Engoron said the defense's arguments, known as a directed verdict, were advised and that he did not address them further when he returned to court Thursday afternoon to rule on another matter. In that ruling, Engoron handed a victory Trump's lawyers, allowing them to call several experts rebut testimony that Trump's financial statements earned him better loan terms and insurance premiums and were a factor in getting the deal. The judge, who has a history of ruling against Trump, has signaled he wants to wrap up the case by requesting witness schedules from defense attorneys and delaying closing arguments until closer to Christmas. Trump attorney Christopher Kise argued that state attorneys seeking short-circuit the case failed to meet any legal standard, prove allegations of conspiracy, insurance and falsifying business records. All of this has now been established by evidence, Kise argued. State Attorney Kevin Wallace said there was no basis to end the case, saying the evidence was more than sufficient to reach a final verdict. Trump, who took the podium Monday to bristle at his rivals, denied any wrongdoing and said lenders were very happy to do business with him. Kise implored Engoron to give special weight to Trump's testimony, citing the former president's decades of experience as a real estate developer. If my choices were Donald Trump or Attorney General James, I would respectfully choose Donald Trump, Kise said. Discussing real estate, he argued that Democratic Attorney General, who is pursuing a political rival, is trying to substitute his own judgment for judgment of banks and, frankly, of someone who has been in real estate industry for 50 years. Defense attorney Clifford Robert pressured the judge to dismiss the allegations against Trump's older sons, Eric and Donald Trump Jr. The lawyer argued that state lawyers had failed to prove these allegations by Trump's sons, whom he appointed to run his company when he went the White House in 2017, worked on the former president's financial statements. Robert said his sons, who signed some documents confirming their father's financial aid, were appropriate in trusting accountants and lawyers with the accuracy of the documents. My clients were essentially dragged into a fight between the Attorney Gen.